Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentip bagi sorkar jela kan saai distrik Themai ya Kamairang Haswa Kasngi Parakhe ya Kejingyo la luat gari. Habai keran bikilat patai kubor hak arpu praterik ujeliu Menteri Rang Ba ula ba kejing ai distrik ya Kamairang kadai kebeladep penbena. Bat Kamairang kadai ke distrik ke Themai jong kejela. Hendrai namar kejing long jengman nak kejing len shop ka klam COVID-19 kikam keliat sukino hendrai ula pentikna baswa ka jing rakhe ya Kesingyo la luat gari ka distrik Mairang kan seteri kamno. Habakeli ya kejing dawa distrik ya kasora pat. Menteri Rang Ba kejelau lo kubur bakadon kejing dawa. Reu ong badai namar kejing long jong kejaka bat kumjuru kejaka jong kapen ursla serum. Kabalabu ha kejing e kesorkar bande mapping bat poi sya kejing ngut jing mut. Reu ong pat ba kejing keren kadang yat menta bat on sekmi kumno ban penyat cakamat ikan kam. Habakeli bahato kene kejing ai distrik ke Kamairang kamlong kum kejing plela di kiwaipat Bandawa distrik. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong babarok ke dan kejing mentoy bat kejing keta. Hendrei lada ken kong sanno ikini ke on omla satya banjam syakamat. Menteri Rang Ba kejela ulong syok bah bapai kemat ke jinglong jingman haga distrik West Khasi Hills kayo kokot jukinong syong ke West Khasi Hills bat jong ke distrik Hibarok Kowe kalong ke Badang Duna bah bat kini ke distrik kalong ke Basyai Bentam bat namar kata ke sorkar kala syimkia ban penjan iki bor sensyar ke sorkar syikipat ba kenang ban la ban wanra iki kampen roy bat ban kentie we kejing im jong kinong syong.
Mairang district has been announced and Mairang will be the new district of our state. And because of COVID, the situation has been slightly slow. But to let the people of Mairang know and feel positive about it, that we will do our best to ensure that before Independence Day, the Mairang district is functional. That will be our endeavor.
Sir, what about this Cherrapunji then?
Sorry?
Sora.
Sora has been, again, an area of concern. There has been demands for it. But because of the geographical landscape and the areas of Peninsula and down and all these other areas that are across the valley, so the geographical, I should say, mapping is not coming to a point where we're able to really look at a consensus. So all those issues are being discussed and we will see how to move forward. But if you remember my speech when I gave in Mairang, I think it was the 31st of March 2021. So when I gave the speech that day, I mentioned that Mairang is at the bottom in terms of the sustainable development goals. And the main purpose of doing this really is to push the life standards of the people in Mairang and other parts of West Khasi Hills. And therefore, the need was very justified. So therefore, we decided and announced that we will go. And as I said, that our endeavor will be that we make Mairang district functional before the 15th of August 2021, before this Independence Day. We'll make Mairang district functional.